In front of me is Xiaomi Redmi K70 and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock. Begin by opening settings and scrolling down to access fingerprints, face data and screen lock. Then tap on face unlock under screen lock and enter your current login method. When you're ready, hit start at the bottom and then tap on next in attention pop-up. Remember to keep your face in frame and follow all of the instructions from your screen. Then you can name your face data however you want to and select Done. After adjusting all of those options however you want to, click on Home button. So finally, when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, I can see that face unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!